Come to the zoo, come sing with me.
Colors, sounds, and counting.
1, 2, 3. One red lion, strong and proud. Roar, roar, roar. So big and loud.
2 blue elephants stomp all day.
Trumpet, trumpet.
Hear them play.
3 yellow giraffes reach up high. Munch, munch, munch.
To the sky.
1, 2, 3.
Count with me.
Zoo friends sing so happily.
Red, blue, yellow.
What a sight!
Clap your hands with all your might.
4 green monkeys swing with glee.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
From every tree.
5 orange tigers prowl around.
Growl, growl, growl.
What a sound.
6 purple hippos splash and play.
Grunt, grunt, grunt.
All through the day.
4, 5, 6.
Count again.
Let's all sing from 1 to 10.
Green, orange, purple too.
Learning colors at the zoo.
7 pink flamingos stand so tall.
Honk, honk, honk.
They call to all.
8 brown bears go marching by.
Oh my, oh my. 9 black and white zebras run with neighs.